Imagine living in an exclusive subdivision with amenity complex like this. Amazing, right? Ilan lang yan sa may enjoy mo kapag dito mo napili magpatayo ng dream house mo. But before we discuss this lovely residential project, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Carlwin Orga, your Prime Properties. And right now, we're here at Rockwell South at Carmel Ray, here inside Nuvali. Ang nakakasakop sa kanya, is Barangay Canlubang, Calamba, Laguna. Pero, nasa loob pa rin siya ng Nuvali, malapit pa rin sa Soledad 1, 2, and 3. And also, malapit din ito sa ating pre-selling commercial lots, which is Central Block. Kung napapadaan kayo doon, malamang meron na kayong idea, So, malapit lang si Rockwell South sa Central Block. Since alam nyo na, saan nga ba located itong napakagandang subdivision dito sa loob ng Nuvali, allow me to give you an idea kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga high-end residential dito sa area malapit sa Rockwell. First is Soliento. Nag-start yung project ni Soliento way back 2014 and ang lot sizes naman na available doon is around 600 to 1,300 square meter. Next is Elaro. Nag-start lang si Elaro ng project way back 2011 and ang lot sizes naman na in-offer nila doon is around 600 to 1,400 square meter. Next is Los Cara. Nag-start si Los Cara ng project way back 2014 and ang lot sizes naman na in-offer nila doon is around 600 to 2,000 square meter. Next is Santiera. Santiera nag-start siya way back 2010 and ang lot sizes naman na available doon sa area is around 600 square meter to 1,200 square meter. Next is Montecito. Montecito nag-start siya way back 2009 and ang lot sizes naman na in-offer nila doon is around 600 to 2,000 square meter. Next is Abrio. Abrio start way back 2007 and ang lot sizes naman na in-offer nila doon is around 800 square meter to 1,200 square meter. Here in Rockwell South, 70% are dedicated to open space. And bukod sa central amenity, meron pa tayo ditong mga pocket parks bawat blocks. And ang lot sizes naman na available dito sa Rockwell is around 400 square meter to 1,000 plus square meter. And right now, meron pa tayong 6 lots na available, around 400 to 700 square meter. It is located in cluster 1 to 3. So kung yun yung hinahanap nyong lote, baka umabot pa kayo. And good thing, meron pang extended cluster dito si Rockwell, which is cluster 5. And ang ino-offer naman ng mga lote doon is around 400 square meter. So good thing, kung naghahanap kayo ng mas mababang sukat ng lote, pwede nyong makonsider yon. What is the price per square meter naman dyan, Sir Carlwin? The price starts here from 55,000 to 65,000 per square meter. Depende sa location ng loteng mapipili ninyo. Well, I hope this video helped you a lot finding the right place to invest or the right place to build your dream house. And if you want to know more about this project, just let us know. You can contact us directly sa mga number na nasa screen and see you on my next one.